Will SaneBox clean up my disgusting inbox? We're going to find out together coming up. Oh, now. Welcome to my dumpster fire of a email. Over the years, I have gotten lazy about keeping a zero inbox. As you can see, I've got 127 just sitting in my box. I can't even get through. I've got 35 new that I've accumulated over the day. And over the years, I've just been subscribing to so many newsletters that I'm just getting constantly barraged by an overwhelming amount of emails from updates to other things. And I got 80,000 views on YouTube. Hot diggity. Maybe you're part of one of those right now. Anyway, I got 1,000 conversations going on. I need help. Hook me up with a free version. So I'm going to log in. For those of you want to get it for a 14-day free trial, click on my link to help support this channel, first of all, or go to dustinhouse.com/sanebox. Go test this out yourself with a 14-day free trial. Very affordable pricing for what this product does. And I've been through this process before and fell asleep with it. But I'm just going to go through this process one time, and it seems pretty easy. I want to see if this claim is true of we can get this done in 5 minutes and clean my inbox, because that would be fabulous. More likely with a dummy like me, probably going to be 10, since my attention span is so low and I'm looking at other things. But let's see what happens. Disabled. Okay, let's enable it. Should be good. Let's see. All right, now we're hitting our dashboard. I think since I canceled my account years ago that I was having some difficulties with that. Anyway, we'll clean that up in post. Digest. Ready in 8 minutes. Getting things ready, 0%. What am I? We are enabling your account. This may take several minutes. Please be patient. All right. While we wait, we can check out this dashboard to see a few of the features on here. I would actually love to view some suggestions. Looks like my digest is going to be ready in 6 minutes. You can add 2 emails. I already have one going on here that is focusing on this one. We'll hold off on the other, but I'll check out some suggestions. I agree. How do I click them all? No way I signed up for stamps.com somewhere. I'm going to keep that one. All right. Bye, sinners. What's going on with my inbox and whether or not we have anything that's changed. And the first thing I do notice is this sane later. And it looks like it is pulling in the things that don't need to be in my inbox and putting it into this one. Great. Love it. Don't see anything super necessary in there, so that means it is doing its magic. They've got training and filters here. Already 145 in my black hole list. I do want to check those out and make sure that there is nothing that I would miss from these. And it's just basically all the websites or the email addresses that I just told to send there. So instantly 145 emails gone over there that I don't have to click. Absolutely love that. What else you got for me here? on my dashboard. Folders are new. We can create new folders if we want. This is just too simple. It feels too simple that I'm getting all these things taken care of automatically, and awesome. They have a Zero Inbox Academy. What a good add-on for what you're doing. They have some What's New features if you haven't checked out. I love the snooze button. I abuse the snooze button on a regular basis trying to zero inbox, and looks like they're taking care of that for me. And as I go back to my email now, I'm down to 26, and I was at 35. I want to say all my promotions just absolutely emptied out. And my updates are down significantly. So I'm down to 138 rather than the 500 that I have in there earlier. You know what? It didn't even take 5 minutes for it to clean that up. And now I have trained my inbox to send the things that I don't need or don't care about right now into my Sane boxes, and I can create any folders that I want with the ones that I haven't yet, but the dashboard itself seems super intuitive. I'm going to keep on playing around with it, but just love what it's done for me thus far in just a short amount of time. So go check it out. Get your free 14-day trial and see if it works for you. This is Dustin House signing off, and we'll see you out there. Take care.